Hey, what's going on, my friends? So real quick, right off the bat, this video is not for all of you, but it might be for some of you. A lot of people reach out to me and they say, Victor, I want to help in the way you help. I want to coach. I'm a healer. I'm a psychic. I'm a channel. And I want to do this in a more impactful way. I want to reach a lot of people. I want to help a lot of people, but I don't know where to start. This is where I found myself as well, as a lot of you know. But over the years, I taught myself a lot of things. Number one, I taught myself how to grow an audience online. An audience of people who know, like, and trust me. I've learned how to create a career through coaching and doing retreats and offering different services from this audience, so I can put all of my energy into it. So I don't have to put most of my energy into a job situation that I don't like. I get to dedicate. That's why I think people like it, because I show up with everything I got. And consequently, I've created an amazing life for myself, of abundance and freedom and impact. And I know, and you know as well, that I'm not the only person that's capable of doing this. I just got done with the retreat, and that's why I'm a little tired and only have my shaky iPhone here. And there's about 22 people there. And every single one of them could do what I do, literally. They're tapped in, they're psychic, they're a light worker, they have a passion, a deep passion to help other people. But a lot of them didn't know where to start either, so I helped them out at the retreat. But anyway, the reason I'm saying all of this is because one of my primary objectives is what you see, helping people with their awakening. But I can only do so much. And I would really invite you, if you feel this calling, to follow it. And I want to help you. So does my good best friend, Aaron Doughty. He also has an online presence. He also does exactly what I do. And once in a while, when we can pool our schedules together, we like to share with you what we know. A lot of stuff about how to grow an audience, how to make money online, how to grow a legitimate business founded upon your passion, founded upon your mission. You can create a win-win. And we want to help you. We're doing a free 3-day challenge real soon. It starts on August 27th. There's a link down below if you want to sign up. We'd love to see you there. There are limited spots though. We're doing it on Zoom, and there can only be a certain amount of people. So I recommend, if this resonates, is signing up ASAP. And what we're going to do is we're going to teach coaches, healers, channels, psychics, people like you, how to build a business online. And this is cool because there are billions of people on the internet. And this gives you the possibility of working with only people you like. Like, for example, for me, I have no interest in convincing the skeptics of the legitimacy of what I share. I'd rather go straight to the people who I know are going to resonate. And consequently, it's a very positive vibe, very cool people. I feel blessed and honored to have come to me and come to my retreats and buy my programs and sign up for my coaching and comment on these videos. We teach you how to do that. There are skills involved. It's not just, if you build it, they will come and spirit will show me the way. Unfortunately, that's not how life always works in 3D. You need to know what to do. And we will tell you what to do because we're motivated to help you. We want you to succeed. We want you to join us in this mission of raising the frequency on this planet and changing the direction in which humanity is going. You came here for that, and you know that. And a lot of you maybe aren't ready, but a lot of you also are. A lot of you are ready, and you have been ready for quite some time, and you know it. You've been feeling it in your gut. Maybe your old jobs, I'm getting swarmed by ants here. Maybe your old job situation is breaking down, becoming more heavy, more draining, less fulfilling. It's a growing part of you that yearns for more freedom, more depth, more abundance, more impact. And when you have that genuine yearning, it means you can do it. And we want to help you avoid all the pitfalls, all the trial and error that we had to endure because we had to kind of wing it. But winging it was very stressful. Winging it took us a very long time, and we both consider ourselves, me and Aaron, lucky that we were able to succeed. We want you to have more of a streamlined path. And that's what this challenge is all about. It's a 3-day challenge. It's totally free. I would love to see you in there if this resonates with you. And to sign up, it's simple. There's a link down below. Go ahead and click it. I have got to tend to my ankles, which are just getting swarmed by mosquitoes, actually. Much love to you, my friends. Peace.